contrast between success and failure is cruel. And the voice has never been with me. The forest can't simulate elegance. A drop of elegance in life. Laugh at yourself in the rearview mirror. I've never seen such an arrogant person. Well, you'll see one today. Thank you, brother and mother. Good morning. Let the actors become smoke and clouds. She sits in a red tent, wearing heavy makeup. The Swona sounds a long call. Can you let me give this seat to someone else? Why should I give it up? You issued this ticket. You definitely won't let him have your seat. If it's not your seat, this is seat hogging. We will handle this according to law. The woman was also very rude to the police, yelling and screaming. Later, she just looked out the window, without saying a word, refused to cooperate with the police. Took it off, went early this morning. Oh, how can I be seen like this? Yes, the European Emperor. What on the car? Just go up and down. Drunk driving, then ran over a child. Then the family of the child wouldn't let him leave. So they called the police. The police, traffic police, wanted to negotiate with him. He drove off and just charged forward. He charged all the way down. Fortunately, at this intersection, just happened to be a girl on an electric bike who collided with him and ran right over her. He kept charging forward. I hit another small car. When he got to the intersection, he ran over a motorcycle. The motorcycle got stuck under the wheel. The whole Grandview Garden. Did you hit it? I hit it. Why did I honk, sis? I already honked the horn. I honked. Look, there's a scratch there. Actually, I don't care. You know? You said you scratched it. It's your fault. The car stopped. The pedestrian shop is off limits. It's not me who hit you. It's from this position, right? Don't let it run from this position. Don't run to other places. Hey, don't move. I didn't hit him. I didn't hit him. Your wife hit me. What are you doing? You. Boss, okay. Get up. You just rob at your home. You just rob. Get up. Go ahead. Cherry, huh? Cherry Tigo 8. I heard that if you replace it, a punch will cost 5,200 yuan. I'll try today. See if I can dent anything with one strike. Holy shit, no way. Oh my god. It's just fine like this. Awesome, awesome. I'll buy an awesome first. Awesome, okay. It'll be fine like this. You're so awesome.